In this video, we're going to look at the workflow actions and triggers for custom object and company-based workflows inside of Highlevel. These let you build automations around more than just the individual contacts. You can trigger workflows and take action on things like companies or custom objects that you've created, for example, properties, cars, deals, jobs, anything you track in your business. That means your automations can follow the real relationships in your pipeline, not just around a single lead. The first thing you can do is create a custom object. In my account, I created a custom object called properties. You might call yours cars or projects or tickets or claims or whatever makes sense for your business. Inside my Highlevel account, if I go to settings and then come all the way down to objects, you'll see I created the custom object properties. Once you've created that custom object, you'll see a new workflow type for it. So if I come up to the go back button in the top left corner, come down to automation, and then click on create workflow. In my case, I will now see properties based workflow. When I click on that, it'll take me into the editor. From here inside the workflow, you can get access to cross object actions. So if I come to add new trigger over here, click on, in my case, property created, click on save trigger. If I come down here to add an action, you'll see these options over here. One of the most important ones is called add associated record to workflow. Use this action when a current record should trigger enrollment of related records or contacts or companies or even other custom objects into another workflow. Here's how to think about it. Use this action when the current record should trigger enrollment of related records, contacts, companies, or even other custom objects into another workflow. Filtering by association label makes the targeting more precise. So I'm going to come down here and click on it. Then you'll see action name, select an object, association label, and workflow. With this action, you can select the associated object type like contact, company, or custom object. You can filter who you want by association label, like buyer, account owner, or assigned dealer. You can choose the target workflows these associated records should be added to. So what you're basically saying is when this record changes, automatically move those related records into that workflow. Once you've set the trigger and added the action, you can save it in the top right corner, but make sure you click on publish first. So instead of manually messaging everybody tied to that record, the workflow handles it in the background. That's the core idea behind custom object and company-based workflow actions. You're not just automating one contact at a time, you're automating the whole relationship. For more information about this or other high-level features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, blog, and help docs. The link's in the description below. My name is Ben, and thank you for watching.